Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can fill out Bank of America paper check. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Date the check. Add the date of when you wrote the check on the line at the top right-hand corner. This is important so the bank and the person you are giving the check to knows when you wrote it. Step 2. Tell the bank who to pay. Find the pay to the order of field and write the recipient's full name. It's important to write this clearly and accurately. Step 3. Write your payment amount in numbers. Use the small box to the right to indicate your payment amount in dollars and cents numerically. Step 4. Spell out your payment amount in words. Write the payment amount in words on the line below the recipient's name. This must match the numerical dollar amount you wrote in the box. However, be sure to write the cents amount as a fraction over 100. Step 5. Use the memo field. Writing a memo is optional but helpful later to know what the check is for. For example, write monthly rent to help keep track of rent expenses. An image of the check is available in online and mobile banking. This is especially helpful during tax season. Step 6. Sign the check. Lastly, but most importantly, sign your name on the line at the bottom right-hand corner. Typically, a check cannot be deposited or cashed without your signature.